straight to some more breaking news tonight.
We've learned now that 3 people are dead and more than 200 others are injured after there was a new earthquake that hit Turkey and Syria. This was a 6.4 magnitude quake, and it hit exactly 2 weeks after the last one.
Now, that 7.8 magnitude quake, which rocked the area February 6th, killed more than 40,000 people. Aftershocks near the Turkey-Syria border are expected to continue for months. And tonight there will be a local show of support for the victims and survivors of the deadly earthquakes in Syria and Turkey.
This gathering of support right now is taking place at IU Bloomington. It starts in just about 2 hours from now, 7 o'clock at the Indiana Memorial Union.